Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete all chats on WhatsApp in a single click. Okay, so as you can see that I have got these two chats over here, and I want to delete all of it in a single click. So how I can do that? So I need to go to this this three dots and tap on it, and then tap on settings, and then tap on chats and calls. And guys, here you have this chat history, so tap on it. And guys, here we have this option, delete all chats, so tap on this. As you can see, are you sure you want to delete all chats and their messages? Yes, we want to do that. And if okay, no problem, click on OK. And if I go to my chats again, as you can see, there is no chat available. Okay, it's all deleted. So guys, in this way you can delete all chats in a single click on your WhatsApp.